Hi there everybody, it's Sanna here today. Happy New Year. This is the Wild Hare Kits January kit unboxing video, and I'm a day late because I just received this kit today. Today is the 3rd of January, and it was stuck at customs, but I got it today in the mail, so the mailman just arrived and I immediately cut this piece open and I haven't taken a peek, so here goes. I wished for a kit for January. I asked her to surprise me. I didn't have any particular wishes, just something fun and colorful. I think I wrote that on my style profile, and I told her that I'm excited to see what she would pick me if she could choose just freely. And so this is a total surprise for me, what's inside this package. So let's start opening this one. I just cut this open with my scissors because this is so sturdy. It takes ages to open, so but everything else is a total surprise. So I'm as excited as you are at the moment. Okay, so here goes 1, 2, 3. Oh wow. Oh wow, oh that looks really nice. Bramble fox, I love bramble fox. Oh, flower stamps, that's cool. Oh my god, this is really nice. So let me take the shipping notes out of this package and then read something for you. So this is the deluxe kit for January, and she writes, "Hope you love your January kit. I focused on bright, playful colors and included some fun textures in the acrylics, alphas, chipboard and puffy stickers. I also sent you our January exclusive cut file. Enjoy." Okay, so I'll take a look. What did I get? So there's Dear Lizzie. Lots and lots of Dear Lizzie. That's interesting. Heidi Swap. Pink paisley, I think, and what else, we'll see. So this looks really gorgeous. I love the colors. I really like the colors. So she knows me really well. So let's open this one up, and there's the thank you card. Hi Sanna, Happy New Year, Alison. Thank you so much. Happy New Year to you too, Alison. What shall we start with? Let's put these aside and start with the papers. So I like this color a lot, and the paper strip is really nice. I think this is Dear Lizzie. Yeah. Oh wow, Dear Lizzie, it's all good. That's really great because funnily enough, this fits my one little word for January, for 2020 really well, this paper. I'm not going to tell you what my one little word is, not just yet, because I've got a layout coming. I'm planning on making a layout, so you will find out soon enough. So that's the first paper. It's called It's All Good, Embrace Now, from Dear Lizzie. And that's the B side, really nice too. So where should I put this? I'll put it there. Oh wow, beautiful flowers. And this is the same collection. It's called, the paper's called Bloomed. I've got something stuck on my finger. Bloomed, and this is the B side. Really nice pink and white stripes, and look at this paper strip here. Has really tiny dots there. Really beautiful. I like this one, and I really like this green on the background, or I think it's a mint green. Really nice. The next one. Again, Dear Lizzie, She's Magic collection, A Simple Hello. And I like this one. This is really nice. I love the blue background. Keep on smiling. Oh, these are perfect. I love you with my whole heart. Pretty. And this looks like candy. Really nice. Pinks and yellows and white. Really pretty. And the next one, oh, this is Pink Fresh Studio, Office Hours. I know this paper, I've seen it online. Really nice too. This will make a great layout. Work hard and be kind, just a little note. These are the days, make it happen. trust the process for the record. Really cool sentiments there. And I also like this, I don't know, this looks a little bit like a abstract snowflake, because it's winter here obviously, but I don't think that it is a snowflake actually. But this paper is really nice. And then next, Pinkfresh Studio. And this one is my favorite collection, Just a Little Lovely. I've seen people do layouts, really fun layouts with this paper. Really like this one. And this is really thick paper too, so this works really well with wet media, I think. But I also like this side really a lot. So it's probably going to be this. I don't know yet. We'll see. But that's Pinkfresh Studio, Just a Little Lovely. One of my favorite collections by them. And again, really fun paper called from the collection She's Magic, called Feeling Fine. That's really cool too for my one little word layout. I can see things happening here. And a beautiful yellow background here. Really like this watercolor look on papers a lot. And then the beautiful cut file. So you get this with the Deluxe Kit automatically, and with the Petite Kit I think you get a download link to download the cut file. And this is what it looks like. Really nice. And then Heidi Swap Honey and Spice, Kindred. That's an interesting pattern. That's not really me, but yeah, this is much better. This I can see myself using. That's really interesting. If I'm going to use, I wouldn't know what to do with this paper immediately, so I had to give this paper a lot of thought. But this is more me, if you know what I mean. And then, oh, that's pretty. Pink Paisley Again and Again. I've had papers from this collection earlier this fall, and I really like them. And this flower pattern is really nice. This is really beautiful. This would make really nice Valentine's cards or projects. And then there's this simple pattern, which is really great too for backgrounds. Oh, sorry, I didn't tell you. This is the Again and Again #2. And then, last but not least, another Honey and Spice paper, Captured. I really like these cameras here. And a geometric pattern. Sorry, geometric, not geographic. It's not my language. And really like the colors on this one. They work really nicely with this, for example. And this one too. So these would make a great layout even. So that's the papers. I really like this set. I might be ordering surprise kits more often, because she really got what I like to work with. Look at these. These are so nice. Just have to see if you can see every single paper. Let's turn that around. Okay, so I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 papers. That's really a lot of paper. So this is a Deluxe Kit and the cut file. And let's flip that around. Put that aside and flip that around so that you can see the B-sides together. And again, these work really well together too. So really great kit, a really great surprise kit. Really like this one. Thank you so much, Alison. And then let's move over to the alphas and embellishments. So I've got black alphas because I like the contrast of black on bold paper. And this set is from Heidi Swap. So I think this is from Honey and Spice, probably. Yeah, this is from Honey and Spice collection. And then I can't wait to see this one. I got a Dear Lizzie acrylic stamp set with beautiful flowers, rainbows and coupons and clouds. I really like using clouds on my layouts, so I've done that a lot quite a few years back, and I'm probably going to use these clouds on layouts that I'm going to make with this kit. Cannot wait. Really, really beautiful stamp set. I love that she adds stamps to my kits, because I love using stamps on my layouts and on cards and on mixed media and art journaling, whatever. And then next I've got this really, really lovely chipboard phrase sticker sets. And who's this by? Oh, I can't figure it out, but I'm guessing this is Chimel or Dear Lizzie. Maybe this is Dear Lizzie. Yeah, because of that there. So this is the She's Magic collection by Dear Lizzie. And I really like this. Smile. Today I'm happy. Hello there, dear. Love always wins. That's really nice for Valentine's. Lucky to be with you, that too. Good things are happening. This is great for one little word. Stay positive. This one also. Life works really nice. Grow through what you go through. That works for one little word too. Magic. Kind heart, fierce mind, brave spirit. Make it happen. These are really great. I like these a lot. And I love the colors. I like the yellows and the pinks. And then this shiny holographic look on this one. Really nice. And then some adorable puffy stickers from Dear Lizzie. Oh, these are so cute. Keep on being you. Main squeeze. And a pig. How cute is that? Oh, that's really cool. And then I've got ephemera, die-cut shapes, sorry. These are called die-cut shapes. Also by Dear Lizzie from the She's Magic collection. As it seems, I think so. And this is what's in the kit. I hope you can see it. But I think I'm going to open this one just to go through these, because I want to see them too. So lots and lots and lots of diamonds there. So these are the smaller ones. So I've got diamonds in all shapes and colors, or crystals, and a flower, a camera, radio, and then these beautiful flowers, which I adore. And I think that's a teacup. Some more flowers. They are always great. Really like using those. And they match really well with the stamp set, so I could combine them both. And what's here? All kinds of tickets and coupons. So let's put this here. Got coupons. Oh, that's cool. Life is fantastic. Oh, these are really nice. Cinema ticket, another teacup. Lots and lots and lots of tickets. These will make great additions to layouts. Really like those. And these would work on a card really nicely, because I got a set of 3, I think. Thank my lucky stars. Oh, a postcard. How cute. And then some journaling cards. Really cool. And then, oh, 2 birdies. Let's put them there for the smaller parts. And then some more journaling cards. A huge ticket. Really like the colors on that one. And vintage radio and a vintage telephone. That's cute. And then I've got some Bramble Fox stars. I really like Bramble Fox acrylics a lot, so I'm really happy about this one. The world is your oyster. That's really cool. That's really nice. So I've got reds and blues and pinks and yellows there. Let me show you that. That's really pretty. So it's a really big kit. I've got so much to work with. I don't know if you saw my December wrap-up video. I made 5 layouts and 14 cards and lots of stuff with that kit, and I still have some product left, so This is at least as much as December was, so be prepared for lots and lots of projects along January, and with I will sharing videos again, and you can follow my Instagram for updates and what I'm working on. And then again, at the end of the month, you will see the wrap-up video of what's left of this kit and what I created with the kit. So I'm really excited about this one. This is really nice. This is a fun one to work with, and it was really worth it to just send me something, because by now I think she knows me really quite well and knows what I like. So thank you so much, Alison. This kit is really beautiful. I'm really happy I ordered the surprise kit. And thank you guys for watching, and see you soon. Bye!